The Cross Charitable Foundation donated $20,000 to update equipment in BTech's Animal Sciences department. This donation helped purchase a portable ultrasound machine, an X-ray, surgical lights, and animal restraint safety devices. This video details the immediate impact of their generous donation on the certificate program, its students, and the animals they care for.
This equipment has been a complete game changer for our program. Our students are getting real-life, hands-on experience with equipment they'll see every day in industry, as well as being able to help with many species of animals, dogs, cats, and a variety of wildlife that they would not normally be able to work with. And we are grateful.
Being able to have this equipment available has really helped with the students' confidence before doing their externship in their clinical sites. And I've found with these students that when they're confident and comfortable with what they're doing, they're more accurate and they're able to perform better. For example, we had 3 gulls come in. We were able to use this equipment to kind of evaluate, see if there were any breaks in the wings, which we did, found some in what would be their collarbone. We've now got all of them treated and sent on their way.
Having this technology here for students to use before they get into a clinical setting is huge. To be able to know what you're looking at before you go to a job, it just makes you look so much better. Having these technologies and diagnostic tools is very, very helpful for furthering our education and our careers.
A lot of it has been looking at dogs, cats. A couple students actually have their own goats, so they bring them in occasionally and we'll help take care of them. Especially with dogs, best moments have just been, seeing puppies in utero and, seeing them move around and developing and everything.
Well, I would say to the Cross Charitable Foundation, with the funds that they've donated for us to get this ultrasound and radiology machine, is just a huge thank you for our students, but also for helping each individual animal, because it really does make a difference for each animal and each individual student to be able to grow and develop and gain that confidence before going into industry.
I would say to the Cross Charitable Foundation, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to use this while going through school. It's been very, very helpful for all of us students.
Yeah, the Cross Charitable Foundation is awesome for, helping us use these machines and donating to help us get them, because now, we know how to use them before we go into the field, so it gives us a leg up in the industry.
I wanted to say thank you very much to the Cross Charitable Foundation for making it possible to help animals like these. This great horned owl came to us with a pretty severe fungal infection, and we had no way to diagnose her without the wonderful equipment that was donated to our program. This owl is now on the mend, and she'll be released probably in the next few weeks to go back where she was. And we'll be eternally grateful for all the animals that y'all have helped us help.
On the 7th of September 2025, the great horned owl in this video was released back into the wild after making a full recovery. Thank you to the Cross Charitable Foundation.